Hey guys, I'm Traci Copeland, and this is The Right Way with Well+Good. Today I'm going to show you the right way to do a jackknife, also called a V-up. It's a great move for your core, especially your lower abs and your hip flexors. But first, let's get into those common mistakes I see. So this is the wrong way to do a jackknife. So on your back, arching your back, and I also see people just using a lot of momentum, which doesn't allow me to hold at the top. The right way to do a jackknife, start full range of motion, full extension, using the strength of your lower core, sink your tailbone under, and slowly come all the way up, reaching for your toes, squeezing with your inner thighs, holding that hollow body, using your lower abs to hold yourself up. And that is the right way to do a jackknife. You want more right ways? Subscribe to Well+Good today.